First up at 7, and this is a story that reminds one of the film series Terminator. This after a robot allegedly killed a worker at a Maruti plant in Haryana's Manesar. The worker, 47-year-old Ramji from UP's Unnao, had apparently moved too close to the robot while working at the unit around 10 a.m. on the 12th of August. The victim was rushed to a nearby hospital, but he was declared dead by the time he was wheeled in. Now, more than 24 hours after the worker's death, the workers' union is claiming negligence and seeking adequate compensation from the company and jobs for the dead worker's family. A total of 700 workers are employed at the factory, where the strength of robots is around 118. The union demanded safety measures put in place for all units using robots. Police are waiting for the post-mortem reports and are investigating the matter. Shocker here from Manesar in Haryana after a worker at a Maruti plant was killed in an accident inside the factory. The worker, identified as 47-year-old Ramji from Unnao in Uttar Pradesh, had reportedly moved too close to the robot while working at the unit. This incident took place at 10 a.m. on the 12th of August. The victim was rushed to a nearby hospital, but he was declared dead. Now, more than 24 hours after the worker's death, the union is demanding compensation for the victim's family and jobs for his next of kin.
उस कंपनी में रोबोट की चपेट में आके एक लड़का, एक यंग मैन था, उत्तर प्रदेश का रहने वाला, 23 साल उसकी उम्र है, वो एक्सपायर हो गया। तो इस आधार पे जब जांच की गई, जो प्राइमा फेसाई जो अब तक जो समझ में आया ये कि वो रोबोट जो है वो वेल्डिंग का काम करता है, जो पार्ट्स को वेल्ड करता है। तो उसके चारों तरफ एक कॉर्डन ऑफ करने के लिए एक अलग से कुछ वो सिस्टम बनाया गया। आम तौर पे आदमी वहाँ नहीं जा पाता। अब ये किस कारणों से कैसे वो लड़का उसके अंदर गया है और वो करंट लगने से, जैसा प्राइमा फेसाई पता चला, उसकी मौत हो गई है। तो उसमें FIR कल ही दर्ज कर ली गई थी।
हर रोज की तरह रामजी लाल अपना कार्य कर रहा था, तो उस दौरान वो रोबोट एरिया में वो कैसे घुसा है, ये तो जांच का विषय है, ये तो अभी पता नहीं चल पाया है। अभी पता चलेगा उसके बाद। तो वो कहीं ना कहीं रोबोट के एरिया में घुसा है, तब वो रोबोट ऑन था, रोबोट ने अपना शिकार कर लिया।
All right, this worker was reportedly electrocuted after he entered an area that had been cordoned off. Let's get a word from Anindo, who's with us on the phone line. Anindo, what are the kind of robots that we're talking about here?
Well, Simi, this is a robot that we have been told that was working as in a subsidiary that was working in a vendor plant within the premises of the Maruti plant that is there in the Manesar Sector 8 in some 20 kilometers away from the national capital. Now, this is an area which primarily deals with oil machines and the oil tanks of the car is concerned. Now, it is worked by two kind of people. One is the robot itself, which feeds whatever it has been passed to it by the human beings. Now, Ramji, the person who has been the victim, was one such employee, one such labor who was passing off one of the instruments, and which in turn was used to be fitted by the robot. But somehow there was due to some technical glitch, the robot malfunctioned and it violently attacked we have given to understand that it stretched its arm and probably the victim fell for it, and he was immediately electrocuted, and he was brought to the local ESI hospital where he was declared broad dead.
Right. So, Anindo, basically what we're seeing is that the union claims that this is a case of negligence because enough precautions were not put in place to ensure that workers don't enter the area that was cordoned off for robots. They're demanding compensation for the family of the victim and jobs for his next of kin?
Right, Simi, absolutely. And but as far as the negligence part is concerned, that is yet to be decided and yet to be ascertained, because already the police is doing an investigation on the whole matter. Even people were given to understand that authorities within the Manesar plant of Maruti are being called and been questioned and asked about what is the the police even doesn't understand what is the basic way of functioning of as far as these robots are concerned. So they are also in consultation of technicians.
All right. So this is obviously a technical matter. CCTV from the plant will also obviously play a crucial role in the investigation. Anindya, is this the first incident of a worker being killed in this manner?
Well, it's hard to tell that whether it's a first instance of worker being killed in this manner or not. But indeed, it's in this first instance, as far as this Maruti plant is concerned, where a person is being killed by a robot. And remember, we have seen it in films, we have seen it Terminator, Arnold Schwarzenegger movies, we have seen it in fictions. But this is something for real and something some 20 kilometers away from the national capital happening.
Anindya, thanks so much for that update. We're going to keep coming back to you for more.